What is an early 2021 blockchain game that is continuing to build? This isn't your play to earn model, but a look at what it takes when you put gaming first, then added utilities. GM NFT Explorers, Mike Damaso here to help you navigate through the metaverse as your no-shill resource. In 2022, they said it would be the year of blockchain gaming, but what we were hit with was exposure of centralized exchanges. The reality of it is blockchain will be supplemental to gaming, and it isn't something that will be built in the next year. It is important to keep track of developments in this space as it continues to evolve. Let's do a quick rewind of the MMORPG game Treeverse, including information about the development team, gameplay features, and collectibles. Treeverse is a top-down, open-world, classless blockchain MMORPG built for mobile with social features and an emphasis on cooperative gameplay. Players can create their own houses, forge weapons, and trade with other adventurers. Treeverse will be free to play and will feature PvE combat with plans to add PvP in the future. Blockchain gaming isn't just a fad. People may think video games are a passing fad because of the rapid pace of technology and the way games have changed over the years. For example, the games in the 90s such as Super Mario Bros. Look and play significantly different than the modern games of today, such as Call of Duty or Fortnite. Well, if you even think about like Modern Warfare 2 on how it looked like and what Modern Warfare looks like now, this can give the impression that video games are just a trend and that they won't be around for much longer, which is definitely a lie, because according to a 2020 report by the Entertainment Software Association, the video game industry generated $43.4 billion in the US alone in 2019. That is just the traditional video game industry. Video games are a large and growing industry. They have been around for decades, and as the technology continues to evolve, so pay attention to crypto builders like Loopify when it comes to Treeverse. Endless Cloud's first title is Treeverse and is being developed by a team of over 50 people, some of whom have contributed to games like League of Legends, Rainbow Six Siege, Horizon Zero Dawn, Dark Souls 3, and Marvel's Spider-Man. It has a modest but strong community with 18,000 members on Discord and 83,000 followers on Twitter. Currently, they released 3 NFT collections that include their Genesis one with NFTrees, land style founders plots, and cosmetic timeless character PFP style skins. Aside from my own research, they have some big backers behind the project. Treeverse, the internet browser-based metaverse gaming platform, secured $25 million in a capital raising round from Idea Co Labs, Animoca Brands, Sky Vision Capital, Stanley Kulevoch. I can never remember how to pronounce his name, but it's basically the guy that created Lens, which is something that I could cover in a future video, and various other investors. The principal basis for the effective financing is that Treeverse intends to give players a yearning Pokemon-like style metaverse in an MMORPG style game that empowers users to associate with NFTs in a virtual environment. Now, Animoca is an important investor in blockchain games because it has been a leader in the space for many years. Animoca has invested in several blockchain games, including CryptoKitties, Gods Unchained, and The Sandbox. Animoca's investments have helped to bring blockchain gaming to the mainstream, as well as providing financial and technical support to developers. Animoca has also created its own blockchain gaming platform, which allows developers to create and publish their own games. The platform also features a marketplace where users can buy and sell virtual goods, as well as trade digital assets. By investing in blockchain gaming, Animoca has helped to bring new and innovative experiences to gamers, as well as providing a platform for developers to bring their own ideas to life. Treeverse started as an internet browser-based 2D pixel art metaverse that looks to be a kind of NFT social media platform established by NFT thought leader Loopify. Loop started as an NFT artist, then made 420 NFT collectibles called NFTrees, which then developed into a metaverse due to community-driven growth. Treeverse plots dropped in August 2021, offering 10,420 private property plots at $520 each, which sold out within 60 minutes. Over 400 founders plots were airdropped. They have since gone through a new look, showing off sleek art and an active battle system. As for the game's look, The graphics are clean and the game is suitable for both casual and try-hard gamers. Character customization has a great potential in it, and playing with friends will be great. The soundtrack is a nice detail to improve the experience. The game has that feeling of combined elements from Diablo and League of Legends, but the true inspiration is it to become the RuneScape of blockchain gaming. Players can customize their loadouts with different weapons, abilities, and skills. The art and music of Treeverse is beautiful and peaceful. Now, for me, I've never really played RuneScape, but seeing what it is, it definitely has that vibe of getting there with Treeverse. As stated earlier, there are a total of 3 items as of now under this collection. First is NFTrees with 421 items with a current floor price of 12 ETH or about 20,000 at this time. Treeverse plots, which has about 10,420 total founders plots, and current floor is 0.6 ETH or about $1,000 at this time of recording. Lastly is the timeless characters, which is a current floor of 0.26 ETH or about 440. Overall estimated market cap in ETH for NFTrees, Treeverse, and timeless is 15,265 ETH or about 25 million at this time. It's definitely safe to say that Endless Clouds' Treeverse is continuing to build regardless of the market sentiment being a bear or bull market. The main objective is to create a fun and exciting game for users. Their monthly updates keep users and onlookers engaged. The hype and excitement is carried over with the concept art updates. One thing that may be an ace in their sleeve is the lore building, as we all watched Loopify build out with his team on Treeverse in public. Once again, Treeverse is a blockchain-based MMORPG that has received funding from big-name backers. Animoca has helped bring new and innovative experiences to gamers, as well as providing platforms for developers and others to support each other. Treeverse, like I've mentioned, has the combined elements of both Diablo and League of Legends, but the true inspiration comes from RuneScape, with it becoming the RuneScape of blockchain gaming. The goal isn't to rush a project and say it's complete. Seeing the early stages of Treeverse to the current iteration showcases the team's ability to navigate with the ever-changing markets. It is a top-down, open-world, classless mobile platform and has social features. It's going to be a free-to-play with PvE, combat, and plans for PvP. It has a strong community as well as strong investors that include Idioco Labs, Sky Vision, and others. It features NFTrees as one of the Genesis projects, as well as land-style Metaverse plots called Founders Plots, and cosmetics with timeless characters as the PFPs. It is a metaverse with combined elements from classic games like Diablo and League of Legends, bringing blockchain gaming to mainstream. So what do you think of Treeverse or Loopify's whole process and being able to pivot to build out an open world? Have you tried the beta? Sound off in the comments below. Tap that thumbs up because it helps us out. Don't forget to sign up for the weekly newsletter in the description. Check out the other videos on projects, trends, and tools. Stay legendary, and I'll see you in the metaverse.